a very short, quick video. I want to show you 2 ways to transfer your file. Let's assume a situation where you are leaving work and would like to keep all your files with you. The first option is to simply share the file, click copy link, and send it to yourself. But then you will have to give edit rights. And most likely, if you have a paid version, if you have a paid plan for Figma, you will have to pay for it. There is another more reliable option. I use it very often when I want files from work. For example, to bring them home or from one computer to another. I click File, then Save Local Copy, and simply save the copy of the file on my desktop. Figma will offer you to save this file in its format FIG file. And after you transfer this file to a flash drive or send it to yourself by email, all you need to do is go to your projects or the initial Figma screen, click Create New, then the drop-down arrow and Import. And upload this FIG file here. As you can see, Figma recognizes this file and will add it to your list of files. This file, essentially, it's all very simple to do. Thank you for watching this video. All useful links are usually in the description. Write your comments with questions. See you next time. Bye.